The check engine light is one of the most common and frustrating warnings for car owners. It can come on for something as minor as a loose gas cap or as serious as major engine damage. Instead of panicking, it's important to understand why this light appears, what different signals mean, and how to respond properly to avoid costly repairs. The check engine light can either remain static or flash. A static light signals a non-critical issue that still requires diagnosis and repair. In this case, the car is usually safe to drive, but you should visit a repair shop soon. Common causes include faulty sensors, minor misfires, or low engine oil levels. A flashing light, however, indicates a much more serious issue, such as severe misfires, low oil pressure, or incorrect combustion cycles. If the light blinks, you should immediately stop driving, pull over safely, and call for a tow truck. Continuing to drive can cause major damage to the engine and other components. The color of the warning light also tells you how urgent the problem is. A red light indicates a critical fault that may affect safety or stop the car from running properly, and immediate action is required. An orange/yellow light is more of an advisory, meaning the car can still be driven, but you need to address the issue as soon as possible to prevent bigger problems. Many drivers believe that scanning tools can fix the problem simply by erasing the code. In reality, these devices only read the fault codes. The underlying issue still needs to be repaired. The correct process includes scanning the car with a code reader via the OBD2 port, reviewing and interpreting the codes to understand the problem, fixing the actual issue, whether it's replacing a sensor, repairing wiring, or servicing the fuel system. P0101, mass airflow sensor, MAF, incorrect readings disrupt the air-fuel mixture. P0131, P0134, oxygen sensor, O2, failure reduces fuel efficiency and increases emissions. P0455, P0457, loose faulty gas cap causes fuel vapor leaks. P0171, P0174, P2279 vacuum leak leads to lean air-fuel mixture and various drivability issues. P0401, stuck EGR valve, causes power loss and emission problems. P0300, engine misfire, usually due to worn spark plugs, ignition wires, or fuel injectors. P0420, catalytic converter failure. A clogged or missing converter triggers emission errors. Reading codes is only the first step. Often, they point to a symptom rather than the exact problem. For example, low fuel pressure might be caused by a dirty filter, a weak fuel pump, or other issues. That's why mechanics perform live data checks to pinpoint the faulty component. Repairs may include replacing bad parts, repairing electrical connections, or cleaning sensors. While simple checks can be done at home, most repairs require professional knowledge and tools, so it's safer to trust a qualified mechanic. Most serious check engine issues arise from neglected maintenance. Regular oil changes, fresh filters, new coolant, and a healthy battery significantly reduce the chances of triggering the warning light. Following a proper service schedule is the best way to keep your car reliable and avoid unexpected breakdowns. The check engine light doesn't have to be a nightmare. Instead, think of it as your car's way of alerting you before small issues turn into big ones. Knowing the difference between static and flashing signals, paying attention to dashboard colors, and understanding the basics of diagnostics can save you money and stress. With proper maintenance, you'll see this light far less often and keep your car running smoothly.